Ramadan is not just leaving, it's about to bear witness. It will either testify for you or testify against you. These nights you lived, they are not disappearing. They are being recorded. Every tear recorded. Every sujood recorded. Every sin you hid in the dark recorded. You stood in the night. You raised your hands. You said, Ya Allah, forgive me. Were you honest or were they just words? How many times did Allah Azza wa Jal look at you in Ramadan while you were alone with your phone and you chose disobedience over Him? How many chances did He give you to leave that one sin? But you said after Ramadan. Now Ramadan is ending and that sin is still with you. What will you say to Allah Azza wa Jal when Ramadan stands and says, Ya Rabb, I came to him, I softened his heart, I opened the doors for him, but he turned away. The scariest thing is not that Ramadan is leaving. The scariest thing is that Allah Azza wa Jal may have looked at you and not accepted you. Because not everyone who fasted is accepted. Not everyone who prayed is forgiven. Some people leave Ramadan exactly the same. No change, no repentance, no broken heart. And some, they leave Ramadan and Allah Azza wa Jal has already written their names among the forgiven. So which one are you? Be careful. Do not destroy in one night what you built in 30 nights. Shaitan was chained and you still fell into sin. So what do you think what will happen when he is released? If you go back to your old life after Ramadan, then understand this clearly. You didn't leave the sin. You just paused it. And Allah Azza wa Jal sees the difference. The one who was sincere when Ramadan ends, his ibadah doesn't end. His Quran does not close. His tears does not dry because he was not worshipping Ramadan. He was worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal. So I ask you one last question. When the last night of Ramadan comes and the page is about to close, will your name be written among the accepted or among the losers? Beg Allah Azza wa Jal now. Cry to Him now. Because if He does not accept you in Ramadan, then when will He? Allahumma taqabbal minna. Allahumma la taj'alna minal khasirin. Barakallah feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.